Famous Cyber Amos. All things tech.
Alright guys, so here's how to easily install Elementary OS. Just select on your hard disk, press next, no need to encrypt if you don't need it, and you can now install. So once you install, you see the setup of a normal language, your keyboard layout, your credentials, and just restart, and that's it. And now you're in the welcome screen. You can choose your personalization. You can put dark mode. You can add light. You can do some settings of your housekeeping, your online accounts, and all the other stuff. Once you are done and ready, you can see it looks like macOS. It's a clone of macOS design. You can see the placement on the top right is the same. The top left also shows you the applications, and the bottom dock similarly to macOS design. So as you can see, there is a store here, and the rest of it is all down here. So now in the apps, we're going to check out settings, because everything you can find on the back end is from the settings. So in the settings, you can see the defaults, how to change default, how to do startup. So now if you go into the wallpaper, you can see the dock and panel. Here you can see how you're going to change your settings for it and your multitasking. In the security and privacy, this history, locking, firewall, housekeeping, location services, and that's it. So here is just some basics. Then here is the power. You can turn on the percentage or not. You can also see there's a power mode where you can change the power mode. Not all Linux OS has it. So here in a sound system, you can see there is a list of speakers you can choose. And here at the bottom here, you can do a test on your speaker. Not all Linux has it, but you can see this is a good feature. And here in the sharing, you can choose to allow sharing of your folders. It's already preset here. And here there is a parental control, which you can choose to control when they can see and what they cannot see. And here you can see the system. You can check out your version of Elementary OS, your Ubuntu version, your updates, and that's it. So you can make it auto update, you can donate, you can see a guide or whatnot. Alright, that's it. So now let's go into the hardware. You can see all your specifications of your hardware here, your firmware of your hard disk, and your drivers. So currently there's no driver, and that's it. And then you can right click on the dock. You can see keep in dock, uninstall. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you all for watching. Famous Cyber Amos signing out.